see the last 3 starts for Nate Eovaldi, no run support. He just has not gotten any.
Out towards Solano, takes the hop, gets the out. Eovaldi a quick first inning
Before they play a National League team.
Bouncer up the middle, might be 2. Solano to Echeverria, who turns the double play.
Look at me. I said, what do I work for you guys or what?
A swing and a miss. Great series helped Brazil qualify for the World Baseball Classic. To right. And Stanton makes the catch. 1, 2, 3 inning for Nathan Eovaldi. Out in the outfield, you could throw Michael Kadire and the Uptons out there too. That is strike 3 called.
Or McGuff. Well, we'll find out someday.
Well, we'll ask him your question first, and if the answer is McGuff, then we'll ask him my question. Brantley still looking for his first hit of the series. He's 0 for 9. And that won't get it done. Solano takes a nice hop from the outfield grass. He throws him out. Bottom of the 6th. Liner to right. That's well hit. Stanton goes back. He's there, and he makes the catch.